Hey guys, you'll notice I did not post anything from Monday. There's a reason for that. I honestly have not had any time, and it's more the fact I haven't taken the time to do any recordings because I'm focusing on all of the artwork for the soft opening. I'm hoping you've seen the information and the little sneak peeks I've had of the shop opening, but I want to just share a few more things with you. I will be doing how I designed everything in short sequence on YouTube, as well as using my own stickers to show you how you can use them in your journals, in your memory keeping, in your bullet journals. I will also be doing more in depth on how I created everything, my research, my process of being able to create the artwork as well as the business on Patreon. I will have some tiers on there, and I am going to have voting. The great thing about Patreon for me is I have a select number of people that join me on Patreon, whether you are joining for free or joining for tiers. You will have a voice, you will have a vote. And what I mean by that is I will be, every time I go to work on, prepare to work on stickers, I will be sharing the ideas with you. I will ask for your opinion and move forward on the vote that has the most. The other ideas may be put to the side for another month or another year. The cool thing is you will be involved, and I appreciate that. Also, when you subscribe to the different tiers on Patreon, you will have the opportunity to receive stickers, prints, die cuts from that collection that you voted on. And I can't wait to do that. So join me on August 4th for the soft opening. If you are going to be at the pen show, please come find the Steampunk Planner. I will have some stickers for you to test out, and I'd love to talk to you. Also, we are planning a full shop opening, which means we will be on many platforms and we will have more sticker sets because we're going to be going into the fall, as well as we've got to start planning for Halloween. That's also my birthday. Actually, Halloween is my stepmother's birthday, but October is my birth month. So I need to get back to this. I'll see you soon. Please give me a few that time, and I apologize that I won't be posting, but I will always check my comments. Thanks so much.